At Bathfitter, our innovative and cutting-edge installation process has truly changed the way we remodel our bathrooms. Bathfitter provides a no-demolition, convenient, and as little as 1-day installation, and Bathfitter doesn't sacrifice quality or aesthetic in the process. Speaking of process, it's easy. So easy, in fact, we can get started right now. Bathfitter's Design Your Own Bath interactive tool is a perfect way to kick off your project from the comfort of your home or anywhere. It's super easy to use, and you don't have to talk to anyone. Just head over to bathfitter.com and start designing the perfect bathroom for your home. With the Design Your Own Bath interactive tool, you can preview all of Bathfitter's design options in an interactive and fun way. You'll be able to see how any of Bathfitter's bathtubs or shower bases look in a real bathroom environment. 10 watertight and grout-free wall system options and 4 unique color choices. You can preview Bathfitter's fixture offerings with over 20 faucet and shower head options to choose from top brands. Choose your grab bar and rod, or you're thinking glass door? Great choice. You can see what that would look like too. Don't forget the accessories, with storage and shelving options to perfectly complement your new bathroom. Bathfitter's Design Your Own Bath interactive tool is the fun, perfect way to see your own Bathfitter vision start to take shape. Call 630-635-5200 or visit bathfitter.com today, and together we'll get started on a better bath remodel.